Hello everyone and welcome back to Sylvanian Oscar's channel. Today we will be unboxing and setting up the Sylvanian Families Flair General Hospital, which has been discontinued for more than 10 years. So let's look at the box. So it's got a nurse here, but that's sold separately, and it's got also some accessories here, and we can see the interior setup like that. And we've also got some of the stuff on the side as well. So this is a discontinued Flair set and figures are not included. So let's see what it looks like.
A few moments later.
Okay, ta-da, here we are. We've got the clinic or general hospital out, and this is the exterior. For me, personally, I love this door because it's got very great writing on it. It's very detailed: internal medicine, surgery, pediatrics, opening times, and I really like this fake glass panel, which is lacking in many of the new Sylvanian family set, especially the new green clinic. And the windows here are also very detailedly designed, and I really like the corner of the shop here because it looks very realistic and just like what a real clinic would actually look like. So let's turn it to the side. What I like is also the color of this because it goes well with the Lakeside Pension, which is also this color, as well as the Courtyard Restaurant from 2007. So these are all kind of the Blue Roof series, which is what I call them, and they go very well together. And there's this bit here, which is also separable. This is the reception desk, and it fits very well on this part of the building. So when you enter the door, you have this reception desk right here. Okay, so here it is. It's a very spacious clinic, more spacious than the recent sets. So let's start setting it up. So I've decided to use some of the newer sets from the new clinic instead of the old stuff. And I've also decided to set up a dentist area here as well. So I've kind of split this in half because it is quite a spacious clinic, so we can fit a lot more in. Some of the accessories are from another brand of toys called Playmobil, and I think that is also very realistic, so I think it goes very well with this clinic as well. Okay, I really like this cute card with all the different accessories. Look at that, mini tweezers and mini scissors that actually works. Look at that. So let's put this here. And look at this accessories, so cold medicine and this trolley as well. Let's put that here. We might be running out of space a little bit, but I like to fill those shops. So this one is from Playmobil, which goes very well with it, in my opinion. Okay. Put this here. And this height measurement, that's also from Playmobil, goes quite well with it as well. So let's put that here right by the door. And we've got this patient's card, we'll put that near the reception area. And we've got this wheelchair as well, which is also very detailed. Let's put this here. Okay, so let's start putting some figures in. Okay, so I've made Grey Persian Cat to be the nurse. She'll be by the reception desk. And Grey Cat Father is the doctor. And Truffle, while their father, I've made him the dentist because I really like his two teeth here, and I think he will be an excellent dentist. Okay, so here we are. We've set up everything in this clinic. So let's look at it in more detail. We've got this area of the clinic where there are some beds to lie down. So this part is more like the clinic area. This part is the dentist area. We've got two dentist chairs or kiosks, and also got a height measurement area here and the reception. Let's look at it from one of the windows here. What a busy clinic. Oops. So, how do you like my setup? Comment below and let me know what other accessories I can put in this set, or which other clinic do you think goes very well with this set. See you later. Bye.